Alright, we've done the bonnet cleaning part of cleaning this carpet. We're getting ready to do the extraction with the rug doctor. We've got the steamer ready. This thing could take sometimes 20 minutes depending on your conditions to really get heated up, and we don't even know if the outlet works, so we're going to get that started now, because by the time he finishes this, hopefully the steamer will be hot and one of us can start getting rid of these red stains. So, oh, and we're going to use ammonia. We just use it in a squirt bottle there. It says red dye on it, but that's what we're going to use on the red stains. We don't have any ammonia down yet, so here we go. We have a bad outlet. There's a lot of bad outlets up here we noticed when we were vacuuming. I just can't remember if this one's one of them. Within about 5 minutes, you ought to hear that thing boiling. Alright, that black speck there is a gum spot. We're going to get that out with the steamer. It's going to rain. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to show the extraction most of the living room, but I'm not going to show a lot of it. We're going to try to show some of the steamer in action. Does the breaker go?
Yeah. Keep going.
Now sometimes the ammonia, I'm putting down some right now, sometimes the ammonia will actually take out a lot of this stuff. Sometimes the ammonia will take out a lot of this stuff without even having to put steam into it. So a lot of the stuff will lighten up a little bit with just ammonia only, but the rest of it you got to put the heat into to get the stain extracted out of the carpet. Get that agitated in a little bit. Alright, he's still working on the extraction. I'm going to go ahead and start pre-treating some of the red stains. And we'll come back with the steamer. Show maybe a little bit of that, and maybe some more extraction later on. Stay tuned.